Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Range Rover seat. First, move the seat all the way forward and raise it up. This gives you better access to the rear mounting bolts. Next, for safety, it's crucial to disconnect your vehicle's battery. This prevents any electrical shorts or triggering airbag warning lights during the process. Finally, locate the plastic covers over the seat rail bolts, which you will need to remove. Now that the seat is positioned, gently tilt it backward to reveal the electrical connections beneath. You'll find several wiring harnesses, including those for the airbag system and any heated seat functions. Carefully unclip each connector, taking your time to avoid any damage. It's important to ensure all wires are completely free before proceeding to the next step, preventing accidental stretching or breakage. With the electrical connections safely detached, it's time to unbolt the seat. You will need an e-torque socket, typically a size 55, for the 4 main seat rail bolts. Start by removing the 2 bolts located at the front of the seat rails. Then, slide the seat forward to expose and remove the 2 rear bolts. Don't forget to also detach the single seatbelt anchor bolt from the side of the seat. Finally, with all bolts and electrical connections removed, the seat is ready to be lifted out. These seats can be quite heavy, so it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you. For easier maneuverability, you might find it helpful to tilt the seat backrest fully forward. Carefully guide the seat through the door opening, ensuring no interior trim is scratched or damaged during removal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.